You guys are not serious.
So this one can magnify the image like 4 times, while this one can do for 10 times magnification, and this is 40 times. So what do you expect to see? With this, you should see something clearer because it magnifies bigger. So magnification is like 40 times, and you can now check to focus, or you understand?
Yes.
So somebody should try to put your eye. You close one of the eyes, then very clear. Good. Okay. What am I trying?
It gave me the chance to use microscope, maybe looking at both micro things. I've never used micro. I'm not even good in using a microscope. But today, I learned how to use a microscope perfectly, and I could see things I didn't believe before. Tiny particles, things you never think that existed, like cells, which is impossible to see with the naked eyes.
My favorite thing is the observation with the microscope. We observed the epidem of some roots, and we used the microscope to look at some small objects and make them larger and look more beautiful. I really know I'm having fun, I'm enjoying myself.
Yes. Okay. Good.